Basically, I always liked the enabling role. Previously, before I got into the private sector, I was with the federal government. I was the founding director for the Software Technology Parks of India. I was the one who started the Bangalore STPI, which started way back in 80s. That's when we created the initial IT wave, IT services wave in the country. Then I came to Hyderabad. We started High Tech City, created the Cyberabad, and I worked along with the Chief Minister of the then Chief Minister, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu. So I like those roles, and whenever I get an opportunity to get into the enabling role, even when I was with the private sector, I was the founding president for the TIE, and I was the founding person for the Hyderabad the Angels. So these are all enabling institutions to help the ecosystem build up. So I like those things. That's the reason why I jumped at this opportunity when our Chief Minister invited me to be with the government. Actually, interestingly, I was in my organic form when I got the call from the Chief Minister. He said, Mr. Chowdhury, I need your help in building the IT infrastructure, promoting the IT in our new state of Andhra Pradesh. So why don't you come and join? So I did not even think twice this thing. I left whatever I was executive chairman in 2 companies. I resigned from those companies, and I totally dedicated my time, because it's a golden opportunity for me to really contribute something for the new state of Andhra Pradesh. When Andhra Pradesh state requires my help, I thought that's more than just counting money or dollars. This thing, I thought it's a golden opportunity which our Honorable Chief Minister has given. That's the reason why, without looking at any other this thing, I jumped at the opportunity. My job basically entails how I can create the job opportunities through the information technology industry, because a lot of youth are coming out of the colleges in the state of Andhra Pradesh. There are 300 engineering colleges and several other degree colleges. So these people are aspiring, looking for working in a X company, Y company, Z company. And IT industry is one industry in India which can absorb many of the youth, whether they are mechanical engineering or civil engineering or IT, computer science, whatever. I thought it's a great platform for me to help the state in bringing more companies, bringing more investments in IT, creating the job opportunities for the aspiring youth. That was one of the main targets which our Honorable Chief Minister has given to me. How do we get more companies and create opportunities for the youth of Andhra Pradesh? My mission is to interface with the companies, technology companies, because Silicon Valley or Washington DC, all these areas, we get a lot of product companies, technology companies, the companies which are working in the future technologies. We want to understand in which direction these technologies are going, where there are opportunities for investments in India, particularly in our state of Andhra Pradesh. So we want to invite them, because ours is a new state, new startup state. There are a lot of opportunities. We are investing more than $2 billion in just implementing the IT in our state. And apart from that, there are other several opportunities like port-based. We have 1,000 kilometers of coastline, and several ports are there, and port cities are being developed. Smart cities, 2 smart cities out of 100 smart cities in the country, they are in our state. So these are the new opportunities for technology entrepreneurs. Today, for example, some startup company in Silicon Valley, they got good funding, they got good product, but where is the market, growing market in the country like India? And particularly our state, our technology, tech savvy Chief Minister, Mr. Naidu, he wants to implement the latest technologies to benefit the rural farmers, to benefit the people who are living in the rural areas. So I thought, it's a great opportunity for the technology entrepreneurs from US, as well as it's going to benefit our state, because our state is getting the new investments, new job opportunities for the youth. No, I'm targeting all the technology companies, irrespective of whether they are Andhra companies promoted by people from Andhra Pradesh, or any Indian companies, or even multinational companies, because technologies, there is no limit for this thing. Any technology companies, whether started by X, Y, Z and all that, those technologies are relevant for us. And we want to, for example, we are setting up a greenfield capital called Amaravati. We want to use the not today's technologies, tomorrow's technologies in that new capital. So that if I go only, I have to invite people, entrepreneurs from Andhra Pradesh alone, from America, that's not going to help my state. I want to take the best of the best technology, how I can leverage that, this thing, build our new capital, build our smart cities, build our cybersecurity platforms in the state. So all that, there's a reason why we are not only looking at entrepreneurs who are from Andhra Pradesh, but anybody, whether promoted by Americans, promoted by Israelis, promoted by anybody. Yeah. Response is quite interesting, very positive response, because the brand value of our chief minister in America, because he is the one who started the IT activities in Hyderabad, and is a very credible politician today in India, and everybody knows about what he can do, what he has done earlier, and because of that, because of the trust factor, I am getting a lot of response from big multinational companies, response from startup companies, response from venture capitalists, and response from people who are working in great product companies. They all want to do something because of the credibility associated with the leader of a state. Yeah, we have just started one office in Silicon Valley, and we appointed one person full time. Though she is a technology entrepreneur, she is going to help promoting the IT. Similarly, we also appointed one innovation officer from UC Berkeley. So these are the two people. Veena Gundavalli is the technology entrepreneur who is going to help, and she is going to be the special representative representing Andhra Pradesh for IT promotion. Similarly, Professor Salman Darwin from UC Berkeley for the innovation, because these are the two elements that we are trying to improve upon in our state. One side, the innovation and incubation, startup ecosystem, how do we help the entrepreneurs, this thing. The other side, how do we attract the big IT companies, product companies to come to this thing, implement their products and solutions, and also create job opportunities. So there's a reason why we have chosen one from UC Berkeley and one from the industry for promoting our state of Andhra Pradesh.